It's your boy Omeezy, and we're back in Omeezy's kitchen. What's up, guys? I hope you're doing good, because I'm doing great, because I'm about to make you guys some fish and chips. You know that English meal, yeah? That you eat before football games and that? Yeah, I got you guys. So, guys, tap in, relax, watch it. If you guys like it, give me a like. Give me a subscribe. Give me a share. Give me some comments if you don't like it. Let me know. But guys, let's do this. So guys, here are your ingredients again. Your cod, you got lemon pepper, you got Cajun seasoning, then you got some garlic, and that's just for the seasoning and for the taste. Then you got a beer, and you got some baking powder and some flour. That will be for the batter. Apparently the beer and the baking powder gives it an extra oomph, you know, the extra crisp that you want. Shouting out Gordon Ramsay for this. So guys, we're about to get started. Enjoy. So guys, time to add your seasoning to your flour. But guys, one thing, you're not going to add the seasoning to the flour that you're going to put the beer on. You're just going to add it to the one where your fish is going to touch. So, some lemon pepper, some Cajun seasoning, some garlic, and you need a teaspoon of this thing right here. This is baking powder. So I'm just put a little touch, liquid touch. Yeah, a teaspoon, guys. There you go. Then just mix it up. So guys, time to add your beer to the flour. I'm actually only gonna add half of this. I've actually never ever done this, guys. I should add more of it. It said it needs to be like kind of watery when you do it. So hopefully I'm doing it right, because I don't want this spilling all over as well. Yeah, this actually smells like So guys, you've been whisking this. I actually had an egg white in here, so you're going to whisk that too. Try to whisk it till it actually forms, you know, you gotta go. After you guys pour it in, bam, bam, bam. So guys, we're about to add the seasoning to your codfish, and then what we will do is add that to the base, the batter, and then fry it, and then we're gonna go to the fries, homemade fries, guys. So bam, bam, bam. I don't season my stuff really lightly, bro, because I like that taste. You know, thing gotta have taste in it, and you gotta season it before it actually goes into the flour, because once it does, it blocks it from getting any seasoning because of the flour. So you're gonna do this, and you're gonna do that. Bam, 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 bam.
So guys, time to test this out. Cool, so I know y'all just saw that. Oh god. Wow. Make sure to get all the flour off of your fish so nothing sticks, and then literally drop it down and do that to the other things. Same. Drop it in there. Put this lower, very, very lower. Drop it in. Drop it in, and we'll do the others later.
What it was. Let's try this.
Yeah.
Jeez, look at that, guys. Look at that. All right, this one is booty right here, but all of these, bang, 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 bang.
So guys, you want to dry. So guys, for your tartar sauce, you're gonna use red onions, just make sure to chop it up.
Cut some chives as well, guys.
So guys, I'm currently crying because of these onions. Most would say I'm not professional, but not allow that, man, I believe that. I just got sensitive eyes, I guess. So guys, you're gonna use some mayonnaise. What? I'm just crying, bro. Eyes. Ugh. I want to add more mayo, but that's cool. So, put some big onions in there, guys. Not too much, but enough. You put all these in. Chives. Go in. Man, God. Some cream cheese in there. Some cream cheese too, bro. Has garlic in it, garlic flavored chives. Taste in it. Then mix everything up together, guys. It's gonna take a while, but yeah.
Cheese. If I had a mic, I'd just be like, drop the mic. But guys, we are finally done with episode 13 of Omeezy's Kitchen. And today's episode was mainly about making fish and chips. I'm not even know why I'm saying mainly, because there wouldn't be anything other else than some fish and chips from Gordon Ramsay. Follow his YouTube channel, He's a don, he's a G, he's funny, he's a cool guy. You will learn a lot from him. But guys, if you liked what you've seen, give me a like, give me a subscribe, give me a share. If you don't like what you're seeing, let me know why. Let me know what you'd like to see more in my videos. I'm always open to, critics and advice. But yeah, guys, it's been my pleasure, to cook for you guys. I've been wearing this shirt today. It's a very cool shirt. Dollar Diamond Code from my man Yusufa Job, the Smiling Coast of Africa. We Gambia, that's where we are from, and that's what we are repping. He has some cool clothing line. Just go check it on Instagram, guys. As well, you can follow me on Instagram at Omeezy's Kitchen. Deuces. So guys, we are back with Sonat. Back at it again. She's about to try this food and critic me once again. See that?
I don't like it.
Wow. She would really play with it like that. You know how nasty that makes my food look?
It's already been looking nasty.
That's tartar sauce. Wow. You are a hater.
I'm not hating.
It's crispy too. Ooh.
It tastes like fish sticks. I'm being serious. It tastes like fish sticks.
Okay, thank you. Because fish sticks are cod. That's what the fish is, cod.
What are up with these fries?
I don't know. You
This
tell me.
ain't it. The fries, they're like, I don't know. They're nasty. Like, it tastes like they come out of a garbage bin.
Wow, you guys hear that?
Hey,
Oh my
you
God.
asked me to try. I'm giving you my opinion. But at least the fish is good. And that's the best compliment you're going to get out of me. Because I don't normally like fish. So you did at least one thing good.
Guys, I'm in shock. I don't have any words right now. So
These fries are so trash.
I'm just gonna end the video here. But yeah, we out. We out. What's up, everybody? Back again. Omeezy's Kitchen here with my boy DeAndre. You know, the pandemic's not very easy thing to go through. It's hard for everyone. You know, so I just thought, I'd do a nice thing. It's for you, DeAndre.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
You enjoy it, bro.
I will.
Like I said, if I see you around again, bro, I'll jump by. Usually Tuesdays.